We all have been there. You change one small thing in a React Native app, hit build, and suddenly you have enough time to get a fresh cup of coffee while your native build close to a finish. Right now, libraries are downloaded millions of times a week, yet they are repeatedly rebuilt from source every single time. And honestly, it's a massive waste of time. Enter RNRepo, project created by Software Mention. It cuts native build times by up to 2 times with absolutely zero changes in your infrastructure. How does it do it? First, it continuously monitors new library and React Native releases. Second, our automated isolated builders safely compile these libraries into Android and iOS pre-builds. And third, it hosts them on a secure Maven repository. How to use it? Integration is that simple. Whether you use Expo pre-build or a standard React Native setup, you just drop in our Lightwheel build plugin. During your native build, the plugin automatically swaps out the source code of supported libraries with pre-built binaries fetched directly from our repo. And what if a specific artifact isn't ready yet? It gracefully falls back to a building from source, meaning your pipeline will never break. Over 50 libraries supported, 2 times faster builds, 0 infrastructure changes. RNRepo is the upgrade your React Native workflow has been waiting for. Stop staring at progress bars and head over to RNRepo and check out other Software Mention products.